What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And as y'all can see, it's hot. Boy, that sun is beaming. It is the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to y'all who celebrate it. Me, on the other hand, I'm working on my vet. So, you know what I'm saying? America! I think that's the most patriotic thing that I could do. But, you know what I'm saying? Today, I have been brainstorming. I've been reading and researching. And I'm just going to explain my thought process really fast. I can't spin the crank right now. There's an adapter plate that I showed y'all in the previous video. I have it on the crank and I can't move it. So I was thinking maybe the vehicle needed to be in neutral in order to spin the engine. After doing research, in order for the flywheel to spin, you have to put the car in neutral, and you also have to remove the spark plugs to eliminate compression. So if that is the case, I'm gonna put this in neutral. I'm going to take out the spark plugs and I'm going to do exactly that. I have to number them though, so right quick, real fast, I'm gonna go ahead and number each one. If I'm not mistaken, I got to figure out which is bank 1 and bank 2. To my understanding, whichever cylinder came first, and it looks like this cylinder comes first. But I'm gonna research that so I'm not confusing myself and number these bad boys. I get back to y'all then. So we got all of the coils removed, not the spark plugs. We still got to take the spark plugs out. I just found this funny. I was going through numbering the wiring harness and it looks like somebody already beat me to the punch. So that tells me I'm on the right track. This is a new engine I've never messed with, so of course I'm taking it as I go, learning as I go. But I just thought that was really interesting. I'm finna take these spark plugs out. So I got all the spark plugs out. Now I'm about to check and see if the emergency brake works and then throw this bad boy in neutral. I'll probably just chalk the tires too, just for safe measures. But I'm going to put the car in neutral and then attempt to turn the engine again. Give y'all some footage of that. And when I found the rock, went ahead and chalked the tire. Now I'm going to tighten up the battery cable. Give me a second. Stay on the bolt. I'll probably switch this battery out to a top post mount because I really do hate these style of terminal posts. But that mug is tight, so we finna hop in this bad boy and put it in neutral. See if this parker brake works. This could potentially be a disaster. As you can see, it's up. Take the keys out of my pocket. Man, it's hot. Woo! That's the power time style, baby. Get that mug in there. Put on the brake. In neutral. Oh, okay, we good. This video is not brought to you by Aquafina, but if you ain't drinking Aquafina, you tripping. That's the best water, by the way. Don't come for me.
Few inches later.
Okay, so I worked the bad boy a little bit. Let me actually switch the angle. It gave a little bit, still not enough to do a half a rotation. So if I put it back in like so, if I put it back in like so, you can see we got that much play. So it's slowly but surely giving. It's just we got to keep working it. But I'm gonna attempt to bump the starter to see if that speeds up the process in me. So we finna jump inside. We got the battery back on and this bad boy back in park. Let's try to bump it. Still nothing.
Wow.
So about an hour has passed since that last clip, and I didn't catch it on camera, but I did get the crank to twist. However, after it twisted, it got rid of all the leeway that I had. So it's like I can't even budge it forward anymore. And then it appears to be going the opposite way, but that's just the device that's on the pulley. That mug right there. That's just that wearing out. The main bearing where it slips into the breaker bar is wearing. But now I can't get this mug to move at all. So I think I'm just gonna have to repeat the process. I'm gonna go and buy some PB plaster, PB blaster and shoot it in each of these cylinder walls and let it sit, and then continue to just try to work it to see if I have any more luck. But that's probably where I'm at for the next couple hours. If I get inspired, I'll be back out here later on today, but if not, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. We out of here.